Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. You're my call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today, the kind of video. Remember, to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now I notification bell. Say the video be better one inside the Ebeka. And never chance a bear grilled tilapia. In fact, so we yes at tilapia we are. Win and be a better said on one. I the pan. It's yes started. We are near mano. The bay you sue garlic. Ginger, rosemary, pepper, bell pepper. Now they are adding. Who they go where you go? We are now doing way then. We generally what you can add. Then account. Now the sugar crack account. Now fed there. Walk up then they are then. I'm an after. All ingredients are written in the description box below. To put description box to now. We will who ingredients in there. To we are now then. What it tell go. Now the 1 teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic, onion, ginger powder. Now the 1 teaspoon maggi, optional pound fanka. Now for the waka in then afra. We are now with the asin chain. Now for the wako tilapia no situate tilapia no. Ube mark home. Chicherie no. Now where then would they are two boom na fed there pepper now what in your market can no. Now then what spread you on inside now be found. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the notification bell to get new video we will post. So then you can I'll show you a video. Remember if you subscribe it. Now I share, now I like, and when me a notification bell no, say the video be about 2 hours Sabeka. It would be share, we are trying now what the season is best shell. We are no catastrophe, now they are cautious freeze for 1 to 2 hours. After 1 to 2 hours, no way be soon after the way day. Well, greasy will baking tray no, until your oil near the boom no. See, we are not fed out with tilapia then, after so now the season is be a then. As I yes, no. To the yes, we are now the little oil. I'm not a fire then appetite. Over grill in 180 degrees for 45 minutes. That of 45 minutes, no way ye free. Over him. No, I serve it. Wow, we are fish in our corner. We bet in the day and be our baby, and I bet me having this. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the notification bell to get new video you post. Now this is our grilled tilapia. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.